So we want to fill the room with fragrances. Before we talk about the oils and wax, let's actually check out the methods of filling your room with fragrances. We have candles, battery powered diffuser, a water diffuser, a waterless diffuser, a plug-in socket, a wax/oil burner, bead fragrance, and of course the sprays. All of these products are on Amazon and they all have great reviews, but when I bought them, I tested them in a medium-sized room. This one, which is approximately 5 meter x 7 meter, and the ratings are gonna be based on this room. Sprays are known for the fact that it's really easy to use. You just gotta spray it and yeah, that's it. You got fragrance in your room. But they don't last for a very long time. They last for about 2 to 10 minutes. That's it. And they're like a decent smell. On the other hand, the Yankee candle spray is better than all of them. It has a good smell and lasts for 2 to 30 minutes. Yeah, this one's good. Bahama Breeze. My rating for sprays are a 4 out of 10. Candles. Very easy to use. They're long lasting. The problem is that they have a very limited amount of variety of fragrances. You can't have like any fragrance you want. There's a limited amount for it. The rating for candles I give is 7 out of 10. Oh, that's good. Battery powered diffuser. Well, one of the pros is battery powered, as you can see in the name. It is very easy to use and it lasts for a very long time, but it has a similar problem as the candles that you can't choose which fragrance you really want. I give this a solid 5 out of 10. You must be wondering, candles and this are very similar, but I gave this a 5 out of 10 and that a 7 out of 10. The reason is that this has really less amount of fragrances. Candle, you still have some choices, but this has very less compared to the candle. That's why I gave this a 5 out of 10. The oil diffuser. This is not easy to use. First of all, it ain't even battery powered, so I gotta plug it in every time and I also gotta clean it every time. It is long lasting though, and you can put any oil you want in it. So I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. Bead fragrances. These are really easy to use. You just gotta get them and put it, that's it. But they're not very long lasting, so that's the main problem. So this is gonna be a 3 out of 10. It also has a limited amount of fragrances. Oil burner. It is pretty easy to use. All you have to do is put some water in it and then oil or wax, and then you just gotta light the candle and yeah, that's it. It also lasts for a very long time and you can put any oil you want, so unlimited fragrances. I give this a 7 out of 10. Electric socket oil diffuser. It is long lasting, easy to use, but the problem is, of course, limited scents. You barely will have a choice. Now, there's a really annoying thing about this. Suppose I got a socket for this company, it's Airwick. Then if I like a fragrance of Glade, suppose another company, then I cannot put it in this socket because it won't let me. Each company has their own socket, so I have to buy their sockets. I am gonna give this, not looking good for you, a 4 out of 10. Waterless diffuser. I saved the best for last. This requires no water, no heat, battery powered, rechargeable. It's perfect. It's whatever you want it to be. It also looks pretty good. You can fit any of these oils in it, so it has like basically an unlimited amount of variety of fragrances you can put in it. And it also has options, like if you set it for 2 hours, it will keep giving the scent for 2 hours, and after 2 hours it will turn off by itself. You don't even have to remember. And there's also another button for the intensity of the scent you want to put. There are 3 levels. There's one medium, and then average, and then like the best, the most. So this, I don't see any problem with this. It's perfect. I'm gonna give this a 9.5 out of 10. You see all of these diffusers on the table, but the fact is that I'm only regularly using this. So for the usage of this medium-sized room, it's perfect. And that's why it deserves a rating of 9.5 out of 10. Now you got the method. We got the methods of filling the room with fragrance. But what about the actual fragrance, the oils? You can get as many oils as you want, as many different types of scent you want. You also notice a funny thing that this, you might be like, this is a spray, but this is not. You can use this as oil. If you like perfumes, maybe there are oils that are inspired from perfumes, like this, Aventus. This is the oil of Aventus. From all of these oils, I have 7 types of oils. This is the classic, like lemon or lavender. This is unique combination oil. This is a perfume oil. This is a spray oil. This is an Arabic oil if you're interested in oud and that kind of stuff. This is a company innovation oil. Honolulu Sun. Yeah. This is a therapy oil. Now, for my favorites. My favorite oil out of all of these are these 4 are my favorite. This one is from the company Benatul, Bergamot essential oil. This is from the company Barnhouse Blue, tobacco and vanilla. This is from the company of quality fragrance oils, Aventus. And this is the scent bomb inspired by the famous scent Black Ice. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Hope this video was useful in fragrancing your room, making your room smell amazing. And yeah, make sure to like if this video helped you, subscribe, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.